Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Gulab Jamun updated. Start by measuring ingredients precisely to get consistent texture and sweetness. Mix milk powder, flour, and baking powder until uniform, then add ghee and a few tablespoons of milk to make a soft, slightly sticky dough. Rest the dough briefly while you heat the syrup to gentle simmer and infuse spices. Roll small, smooth balls and fry slowly for tender centers and golden exterior. Make the dough gently and with patience to achieve soft, melt-in-mouth Gulab Jamun every time. Combine dry ingredients with fat and add milk gradually, stopping when the dough holds shape but is still tender. Divide into evenly sized portions and smooth each ball with light palms, sealing any cracks to prevent oil ingress. Let the balls rest briefly before frying so they maintain shape and soak syrup evenly after frying. Frying slowly is the secret to soft, cook-through Gulab Jamun that soak syrup well. Keep oil at medium-low so jamuns brown gradually and cook inside without burning. Use a slotted spoon to turn them gently and remove when evenly golden. Transfer directly into warm sugar syrup and let them sit for at least 30 minutes so they absorb sweetness and become tender, or chill for a different texture and flavor contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.